Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, welcome to all of you in class 4th. I am your English teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting, I have some instruction for all of you. Listen and follow them carefully. Sit properly in front of your mobile, computer or laptop, whatever do you have. Sit properly in front of your mobile, computer, laptop, or what do you have. Listen the topic carefully, and if you have any one questions, you can chat me but in the last given minute. Class, I am telling you here that all of you know that today we are starting our new session 2021-22. So from my side, I welcome to all of you in class 4. So let's start our class. My dear students, as you know that I am your English teacher and today we are starting subject English and you are in class 4th, subject English, and today we are starting unit number 1 and the name of the unit Fabulous Beast, which is in present in your course book, page number 8. I hope you all have opened your English course book, page number 8. Okay, now I have some more instructions. Class, this instruction regarding your copy work. So listen it carefully. Cover the copy with plastic sheet. Okay, what you will do, you have this copy, and what you will do with your copy, you will cover your copy with plastic sheet and fill the face sheet. After completing the face sheet, what you will do, on the copy first page, first you will make the face sheet in which you will write here your name, your father name, your class, section, subject teacher name and class teacher name. Okay, my dearest student, and after making a face sheet, you will make a title page of first term. Okay, as you have practiced that you will make a title page of midterm, but now this time you will make a title page of first term. Okay, be careful and keep in your mind that you will make a title page of first term in your copy. On new page, make a title of unit number 1. Okay, my dearest student, again I am telling you about your copy instruction that you will first you will write the name, class, subject and school name on your copy. Then you will cover it with plastic cover. After covering plastic cover, you will fill the face sheet. How you will fill the face sheet? You will write your name, your father name, your class, section, subject teacher name and your class teacher name. Okay, if you don't know the your subject teacher name, so what you will do, you will make a column, blank column. When then you will come in school, I will tell you about your subject teacher name. Now on the new page, make a title page of the unit number 1. Beautifully make a title page of your unit number 1 and the name of your unit number 1 is Fabulous Beast. I hope you have the clear understanding about your unit number 1, Fabulous Beast. This is your English workbook, same as it is you have your course book. And today we are starting our English course book number 4. And this is your workbook, okay? Okay, my dearest student, look at this picture. This is your unit number 1, Fabulous Beast title page. I hope you will also make very beautifully title page of Fabulous Beast in your copy. Okay? Make a beautiful title page in your copy. Hello, today's objective. Before starting our unit, I have today's objective for sharing with all of you. Okay, so listen that today's objective, it's mean that what you will learn today in your unit number 1. Okay, objective means what you will learn today in your unit number 1. Okay, in your unit number 1, you will read and understand the poem. Okay, this is, you know very well, Fabulous Beast is a poem. Fabulous Beast, unit number 1 is a poem. Read and understand the poem. Number 2, find the difficult words with their meanings. This is also the objective of our today class. What you will do? We will find the difficult words with their meanings. Okay? Now, answer the simple questions and understand the characters in the poem. Okay? I will explain you whole poem, and I will also demonstrate you, give you the explanation about the character of the poems. Okay? And in the end, what you will do, you will understand the central idea of the poem. Central idea of the poem. Okay? This is our today's objective. This is our today's objective. Okay? Now start. Look at this picture carefully and give me the answer through chat. You can chat me. I am asking a question to you. Look at the picture and what is the name of this vehicle? Can you tell me? Start chatting with me. I am waiting your chat. Give me the answer. What is this? Have you seen this vehicle any one time? Okay, start chatting if you know the answer. If you know the name of this vehicle. So tell me. Do you know the answer? Very good. Start chatting with me. Tasbeel. Okay, beta. Tasbeel, you are raising your hand, but I want to check your chatting. Start chatting. Yes, Fatma Ghani, garbage truck. Huzefa, garbage truck. Ayan bin Salman, garbage truck. I am very happy with all of you that you all are here and attending your class. Trash dump, Arfa Asif. Very good, very good. Tasbeel, very good. Garbage truck. Huran, Huran, it is Huran. Huran, give me the answer. Okay, very good. I hope you all have understand about that. What is this? This is the garbage truck. Very good. This is the garbage truck. And you see the garbage truck? Where you see the garbage truck? This is the garbage truck, and people use it to collect and transport the garbage. Why people use it? People use it for collecting and transport the garbage. Okay, now another picture. Look at another picture. What is this? This is also a picture of garbage truck. This is also a picture of garbage truck. Okay, and what is the aim of the garbage truck? It is used to collect and transport garbage into garbage drum, into garbage dump. Look at this. You have seen these vehicles around your area. Many times you have seen. You see? Yes, this is also a truck. And what is this? This is the fire brigade. Fire brigade. Okay. I am showing you the different vehicles which very helpful for us. Okay. Look at this. This is the crane which moves the heavy load from one place to another place. It transport the heavy machines or heavy transport from one place to another. Okay, my dearest student, this is also one. What is this? Oh, school bus. कितने दिन हो गए ना स्कूल बस नहीं आई इंशाल्लाह ताला it will become soon inshallah taala and you all are will be in the school. Okay, this is the school bus. This is also a vehicle and it's very helpful for all of us because we use it for why we use it because we come in a school bus. Okay, because we yes Javeria is telling me that it is a school bus. Yes, beta Javeria, it is a school bus. Now one more thing. Again, I am showing you a picture, a complete picture of garbage truck. Look at this. This is the picture of a garbage truck. Why I am showing you garbage truck again and again? Because our poem related to the garbage truck. Okay. Now I am starting. Fabulous Beast, unit number 1. It is in your course book, page number 8. I hope you all have opened your course book, page number 8. Before you read, Fabulous Beast. Fabulous mean wonderful. Fabulous mean amazing, wonderful. And the beast is monster, four-footed animals. You can say that the poem Fabulous Beast is about these vehicles which are very helpful for us, which make our work easier. But in this poem, I am discussing just one fabulous piece, that is the garbage truck. It is a garbage truck. Fabulous mean wonderful, amazing. Okay, and the beast mean, be careful in your mind, and the beast mean monster, four-footed animal. I will ask it to you in the last. Okay, so everybody listen me carefully and keep in your mind which I am telling you here. As you know that you are in your class, I am teaching you English subject and poem Fabulous Beast. It is your unit number 1. Okay, so everybody listen me carefully. Before you read, can you identify the following vehicles? Which of these vehicles have you seen in your neighborhood? Have you find out? Tell me the name of this. Yeah, this is the fire brigade, and this is also called with the loader. This is also a school bus, and we use it for carrying the sand, rocks from one place to another place. Okay, and these all are the fabulous beast which makes our works easier. Okay, beta. In this unit, I am telling you that I am begin the lesson with a discussion about garbage, kachra, and how it is collected. It is collected by garbage truck, and I am also telling you that garbage truck is used to collect and transport garbage. Okay, beta. Now I am also telling you the importance of garbage truck. By this poem, I am telling you the importance of managing garbage truck. Okay. Now I have one question that have you seen a garbage truck collecting garbage? Have you seen it? Yeah, I know that everybody have seen it. Everybody have seen it. In this poem, I will also discuss with you that there's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. Everybody listen me carefully and put your finger on your book. If you have a book, you can see the computer screen, monitor, and mobile what you have, and you can also put your finger on your book, line number 1. There's a fabulous beast, like I am showing you. There's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. There's a fabulous beast in my neighborhood. It's mean we have a fabulous beast, wonderful monster in my neighborhood. Neighborhood mean area. Neighborhood mean area. In our area. In our area. In our locality. We have a fabulous beast in our area and in our locality. It's called the garbage truck. What we call it? We call it the garbage truck. It's mean fabulous beast is the garbage truck. Garbage truck. It arrives every morning and gobbles up. It arrives every morning. It's mean garbage truck comes every morning. Garbage truck comes every morning and gobbles up. Gobbles up mean eat quickly. जल्दी जल्दी खा जाता है. Gobbles up mean eat quickly. Gobbles up mean eat quickly. It also everything that we call yuck. What it eat? Garbage truck eat everything that we call yuck. Yuck mean unpleasant. Yuck mean unpleasant. Garbage that we throw into our dustbin, that's garbage truck eat. Okay. Its mouth in its rear end. The mouth of the garbage truck. This is the mouth of the garbage truck. This is the mouth of the garbage truck, and its mouth is in its rear end. Rear mean back. Rear mean back. Rear mean back. ये इसके पीछे साइड पर इसका माउथ. सॉरी, ये This one, this one is the mouth of the garbage truck. This is the mouth of the garbage truck. This is the mouth of the garbage truck. This is the mouth of your garbage truck, and its mouth in its rear end. This is also a back side. Rear mean back. गार्बेज ट्रक के बैक साइड पर इसका माउथ है, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज गैपिंग वाइड. विच इज ऑलवेज गैपिंग वाइड? ओपन वाइड. ओपन वाइड. ओके, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज गैपिंग वाइड, ओपन वाइड. In its head, it's got a human. In its head, it's got a human. This is the back side of the garbage truck, and this is the front side of the garbage truck, and it's got a human. Who ride it? Who runs it? Human. इंसान चलाते हैं ना इसे. In its head, it's got a human. इंसान. Who take it for a ride? Human take it for a ride. Who takes it for a ride? Human take it for a ride. I hope you have the clear understanding about these two stanzas. Now I am moving forward. When it's done, it's round, you will see. It's mean when it's complete, it's round. What you see? Stuck between its pointy teeth. You see that when it collect the garbage truck. This is the teeth of the garbage truck. This. It's mean poet is telling that stuck between its pointy teeth. इसके दांतों के बीच में क्या फंस जाता है? Stuck. Stuck mean fixed. Stuck mean fixed. Between its pointy teeth. What stuck? क्या फंसता है? Curls of peels and plastic bags. Curls of peels मतलब layer of fruits, vegetables which your mama put in the dustbin. When your mama cut the potato, tomato, what she did? She skip the layer. वो उसकी लेयर्स उतार देती है ना, पोटैटो की लेयर उतारती हैं, वो सब कुछ क्या करती हैं, जो सब्जियां कटती हैं, वेजिटेबल्स की लेयर्स उतार के डस्टबिन में डाल देती हैं. सो इन दिस पोएम पोएट इज टेलिंग दैट in the between the teeth of the garbage truck stuck curls of peels and plastic bags. Curls of peels mean layers of different fruits and vegetables and plastic bags stuck in the teeth of the between the teeth of the garbage truck. You can see the garbage. Fish bones you can see, plastic bag you can see. Okay, it sticks between its pointy teeth. Fish bones and shards of meats. Fish bones, you can see the fish bones. This is the garbage. And shards of meat mean pieces. Shards mean pieces. Shards mean pieces. Cut into pieces of meat. It's mean the different type of meats pieces stuck between its pointy teeth. Okay. In this stanza, I am telling you that when garbage truck complete its full round, stuck between its pointy teeth, इसके दांतों के बीच में क्या फंसता है? कचरा. Garbage, curls of peels and plastic bags. Layers of different fruits and vegetables which your mama, baba put in the dustbin, throw in the dustbin as a wastage, and plastic bags and fish bones and shards of meats. Shards of meat mean pieces of meat. Okay, it's stuck between its pointy teeth. Now the last stanza, which is about, and when it's full, when the garbage truck full, it spits it out. It spits it out. It throw it out. Spits mean throw. बाहर निकाल देता है. Spit it out. Where it is spit it out? Spit it out. Walk through. Walk through. This is the sound. Walk to is the sound onto a garbage dump. As you know that this is the poem, so poet using the different word which shows the human category. Walk through onto a garbage dump. Garbage dump, this is the place where garbage put, where all garbage collected of the city, that's called a area garbage dump. Okay, and that's why this monstrous beast never gets fat or even plump. What happened, class? As you know that it eat all the garbage, but why it will not be a plumpy, it not a fat? ये मोटा क्यों नहीं होता अगर ये इतना garbage खाता है? That's why this monstrous beast never gets fat or even plump because it spit it out all the garbage into the garbage dump. क्योंकि ये अपना सारा garbage कहाँ dump करता है? Into the garbage dump. And this makes our area neat and clean. Okay, my dearest student, I hope you all have the clear understanding about this poem. And what you will do today, you will read the poem again and again, and you will read the poem again and again and find out the difficult words. If you have anyone difficulty according to this poem, what you will do, you can ask me in the next class. But I am telling you now this time one more thing. I hope you all have the clear understanding of this poem. Now moving forward, now we are here on the reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, what you will do, this is your book page number 9. Reading comprehension. Take your pencil in your hand and start writing. Exercise A. Read these statements about the poem. Write T mean for true and F for false. Okay, my dearest student, and you will tell me. You will start chatting with me that number 1. Now I am reading number 1 and you will tell me that teacher it is true or a false. The fabulous beast is a horse wagon. The fabulous beast is a horse wagon. Start chatting with me. Is it true or false? Yes. False. Very good. Very good. Okay. Fatma, Ayan, Zunaira, Umme, Ifa, Arfa, Nurul Hassan. You all are here. Amazing. Okay, beta. Very good. Yes, it is false. It is not a horse wagon. It is a garbage truck. Okay, so what you will make? You will make here the F. Okay. Okay, beta. One more thing. I am telling you that I am moving further. Okay. Now the number 2. The poet dislike what the beast eats. Poet dislike. Poet पसंद नहीं करता जो garbage truck खाता है. Do you like what the garbage truck eat? No, it's mean it is true. It is true. What you will do? It is true. It is true. Number 1 is false. Number 2 is true. Very good. You are participating very well. Shiza, Arfa, Anika, Zebun Nisa. Yes, it is true. Very good. Now the number 3. The beast is plump. Has a mouth, teeth and hair. Hair? Have you read about the hair of the monstrous beast? Monstrous? No. In this poem, I have not given you instruction about the hair. So what do you understand about that? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. False. Very good. It is false. Number 4. The beast eats quickly and spit out its food when it is full. बीज जो है वो जल्दी जल्दी खाता है और spit out when it's full. Yes, it is true. It is true. Number 5, the mouth of the beast is on its back and it's always stay open. Beast का mouth इसकी back पर होता है और always open. Yes, it is also true. True. Number 5 is also true. And number 6, the beast unload at the sea. Bees unload at the sea? No, it unload onto the garbage dump. Onto the garbage dump. Very good, very good. You all are participating very well. I can see you chatting. You all are giving me answer. Very good. Aisha, Taha. Okay, okay, beta. I can see your messages. I can see your messages. Huzefa. Okay, my dear sister. Now the true and false activity has been completed. Now exercise B. This you will complete in your book. Okay. Now the number B. Look at this picture. Write 1 or 2 sentences for each picture to show what the garbage truck does each day. According to this picture, you will write here the daily routine of the garbage truck. What the garbage truck does first. Garbage truck सबसे पहले क्या करता है? What it does first. First, you will write it arrives every morning. According to the picture, you can see that garbage truck is coming. And then the second step of the garbage truck, it collect the garbage. And finally, what is the final step of the garbage truck? It throw all the garbage into the garbage dump. Very good. I hope you will complete it. Page number 9 very well. Now move on to the next page. This is about read the poem and following question. So class, everybody get ready for the screenshot. I am showing you the question answer. So before I starting the question answer, what you will do, the question is writing here. Okay, you will copy the question from here and you will write the answer, which I will show you in the next slide. Okay, and before starting the C exercise, I am giving you the description about the D. What you will do in D exercise, this will you will also complete in your book. अच्छा, सिर्फ बुक में ही करनी है ये एक्सरसाइज और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर और वर्ड्स मीनिंग सेंट्रल आइडिया आप कॉपी में करेंगे. हाउ यू विल बी कंप्लीटेड, आई एम गिविंग यू एक्सप्लेनेशन. एडवांटेजेस, what are the some of the advantages and disadvantages of having the garbage truck in your neighborhood? Discuss the point with your friends and write down your views. ओके बेटा, आपने लिखने हैं एडवांटेजेस, फायदे ऑफ द गार्बेज ट्रक, एंड हियर यू विल राइट हियर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ द गार्बेज ट्रक. यू हैव इन योर बुक 2 columns about the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, you will write it in your own words. What are the advantages of the garbage truck? You know very well, garbage truck makes your area clean, your neighborhood clean. Okay, and disadvantages, it produce bad smell. You know very well, uh, it produce bad smell. Okay, and when it comes, it throws some garbage here and there, and it makes the it pollute our, it causes the disease. Okay, and what about the advantages? There are many advantages of the garbage truck. Write in your own words, and also you can write the many disadvantages of the garbage truck. This is also your book पेज नंबर 10. आपने क्या करना है बेटा, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन कॉपी करेंगे और आंसर मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ वहां से लिखेंगे. First of all, what you will do, again I am telling you and everybody listen me carefully, that first page of your copy will be the face sheet. Copy का first page will be face sheet. Second page will be about the first term. What you will write on the second page of the copy, first term 2021-22. This is the second page of your copy. And the third page of your copy, this one is about the title page of the unit number 1, Fabulous Beast. It make very beautifully. What you will do, you will make very beautifully unit number 1 title page, Fabulous Beast, and you can take the screenshot of the words meaning. This is the fourth page work. ये आपकी कॉपी के फोर्थ पेज का वर्क है. You can take the screenshot quickly, write the meanings of the difficult words. Same इसी तरह से अपने कॉपी में ये words meaning लिखने हैं बेटा. Number 1 word is beast. Take the screenshot quickly. Number 2, gobbles of, eat and swallow. Eats quickly. Gaping, white. Shirt, cut into pieces. Spits, throw. Plump, fat. Stuck, fixed. These all are the words meaning. Yes, beta, that one is a very good question. You are asking me, class 4 student, you will do the work with your blue color pen. Aisha Jaz, you are asking very good question. बेटा क्लास फोर्थ में आ गए ना, सो यू नो वेरी वेल, इन क्लास 4 you will start writing your work with your pen. Question you will write black pen, and answer you will write blue pen, and you will use the fountain pen. You can use the black pointer for writing question, and for writing answer you will use the blue फाउंटेन पेन. यस बेटा, आपने ब्लू इंक पेन यूज करना है और ब्लैक पॉइंटर यूज करना है. ओके, बहुत प्यारा सा काम कीजिएगा. Don't use the pencil in your copy. Now you are grown up, you are in class 4. So what you will do, you will complete your work with your blue and black pen. blue and black pen. Okay, now I am moving further. That is our next slide. It is about your home task. Better take the screenshot of your home task. This is your home task. Take the screenshot of your home task. अभी लिखा है नहीं, फातिमा ने और वाइटो यूज करने की बातें कर रही है. Can I use black and blue cut marker? Yes, beta, but make your work neat and clean. Focus on your work, make your work neat and clean, do your work neat and clean, except that what you will drawing on it. Make your work, do your work neat and clean. This is your home task and take the screenshot of your home task. Number 1 question, read the poem. This is your home task. आज आप क्या करेंगे बेटा? You will read the poem again and do book pages number 9 and 10 in your book work, which you know very well. Question number 2, write words meaning from slide number 17, which I have shown you. You will write down the words meaning in your copy. Read the poem and answer the following questions. See the book page number 10. I have showing you the question which you have इंग्लिश की स्कूल कॉपी में करना है. यस बेटा, स्कूल की CW कॉपी जो आपकी अभी फर्स्ट टर्म की कॉपी है, आप वो यूज करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रीड द पोएम एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. सी द बुक पेज नंबर 10. यस, यू कैन राइट द question from book page number 10. And question number 4, write the central idea with the reference to the poet. I am showing you the central idea of this poem, and also you will write it. Okay, now I am moving. Have you taken the screenshot? Okay, now next slide. This is about take the screenshot first. बेटा टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन आप बुक पेज नंबर 10 से कॉपी करेंगे. दिस आई हैव नोटेड डाउन हेयर. नोट, कॉपी द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बुक पेज नंबर 10. कॉपी द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बुक पेज नंबर 10. कॉपी द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बुक पेज नंबर 10. आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बुक से कॉपी कीजिएगा और आंसर इज दिस. क्वेश्चन इज दिस बेटा, द गार्बेज ट्रक इज डिपिक्टेड एज अ बीस्ट इन द पोएम. व्हाट फीचर ऑफ अ बीस्ट डज इट हैव? कि आपको मैंने बताया कि दिस इज द बीस्ट. इज इट अ बीस्ट मॉन्स्टर? सो व्हाट द फीचर garbage truck has as a monster? So it's a monstrous beast who gobbles up, eat everything. Yuck. It's got pointy teeth which is gaping wide. All this make him seem monstrous. इसका जल्दी जल्दी खाना और इतना बड़ा सा इसका माउथ होना, it's make him monstrous. So that's why we call garbage truck is a fabulous beast, a monstrous. This is the answer of the question number 1. And the question number 2 is there. What other word does the poet use for garbage in the poem? This is the question number 2 which I am reading from book page number 10. बेटा मैं क्वेश्चन बुक के पेज नंबर 10 से पढ़ रही हूँ और आंसर आपको मैं स्क्रीन पर दिखा रही हूँ. What other word does the poet use for the garbage in the poem? Poet mean who wrote this poem? He is poet. Poet ने garbage का word इस poem में जो यूज किया है, yuck. Yuck is the other word the poet used for garbage in the poem. इसी तरह प्यारा सा काम कीजिएगा. Yuck is the other word the poet used for garbage in the poem. Yuck mean unpleasant. Okay. Question number 3. Who is in the head of the beast? Garbage truck. Who ride the garbage truck? A human is in the head of the beast. कौन चलाता है garbage truck? Human. A human is in the head of the beast. Number 4 question. Why does the garbage truck never get fat? Why does the garbage truck never get fat? Because the garbage truck never get fat because it spits out garbage when it's full. It spits out. इस सारा garbage dump पे जाके बाहर निकाल देता है when it's full. So that's why it never get fat. That's why it never get fat. Okay. Now the answer number 5, the garbage truck unload all the garbage at the garbage dump. Question number 5, where does the garbage truck unload all the garbage? Garbage truck, where it unload all the garbage? The garbage truck unload all the garbage at the garbage dump. Yes, beta. No need of making the outline. Fatma, you are asking to me that we have to make a chapter outline. No, beta, it is you have no need of. And Ram Muhammad Anwar, you are asking to me that Miss काम कौन सी copy में करना है बेटा? In class 4th copy, I have announced it. I have give you all the instruction about your copy work. In starting, I will give you more instruction. Okay, just wait and take the screenshot of this slide. Okay. Now the question number 6. Do you think the poet likes the garbage truck? This answer you will write in your own word. You have read all the poem, you have read the poem, and you have the clear understanding that why the garbage truck a poet is the poet like the garbage truck. Yes, because it's make your area clean. Okay, now I hope you have the taken the screenshot of this question answer. Now I am moving forward the central idea. This one is very very important for all of you. I am telling you that you have read the poem and this one is about the central idea of the poem. अब आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद अपनी कॉपी में सेम इसी तरह से पेज पर रेफरेंस टू द पोइट स्टार्ट करना है. देन you will write central idea in your copy. Reference to the poet. The poem is written by anonymous. Nobody know that who is the writer of this poem, so that's we call it the anonymous. Okay beta. बेटा ये आज न्यू सेशन की क्लास शुरू हुई है, सो आज से आप अपनी नई क्लास का काम शुरू करेंगे ना. आज से आप अपनी न्यू क्लास का न्यू कॉपी में काम शुरू करेंगे. ओके. Okay beta, now this one is about the central idea of the poem. It's mean that how you will compile your all the poem into very little words, short words. So that's we call the central idea. The poet is saying that the garbage truck is very useful for us. Poet हमें बता रहा है कि garbage truck बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे लिए important होता है और ये हमारे इर्द गिर्द से unpleasant और unwanted things को हटा देता है और makes your area clean. ओके बेटा, अब आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछिए. सेंट्रल आइडिया भी करना है. इफ यू हैव एनी वन क्वेश्चन सो यू कैन आस्क मी फ्रॉम माय साइड. माय today teaching has been finished. If you have any one question regarding your class so you can ask me. न्यू कॉपी में करना है जी बेटा. जुनैरा सेंट्रल आइडिया कैन आई ड्रॉ समथिंग ऑन टाइटल पेज. यस बेटा. एंड जुनैरा बेटा सेंट्रल आइडिया कॉपी में करना है आफ्टर राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन आंसर. इसी तरह से लिखना है. आपने क्या लिखना है? फर्स्ट यू विल राइट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द क्वेश्चन आंसर रेफरेंस टू द पोइट ऑन सेम पेज. एक ही पेज पे आपने रेफरेंस टू द पोइट ऊपर लिखना है और नीचे आपने सेंट्रल आइडिया लिखना है विद ब्लू पेन. हेडिंग यू विल राइट विद ब्लैक. हेडिंग यू विल राइट विद ब्लैक एंड क्वेश्चंस you will write with black or the central part of the answer it's mean you will write with the blue pen. 9 पेज 10 पेज नंबर दिखा दे टीचर. ओके टीएफ. यस बेटा. ट्रू और फॉल्स से बुक में करना है. आपने कॉपी में क्या करना है? पहले मेरी बात गौर से सुने फिर मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछिएगा. आपने सबसे पहले फेस शीट बनानी है. कॉपी का फर्स्ट पेज फेस शीट बनाना है. नेम, फादर नेम, क्लास, रोल नंबर, सेक्शन, सब्जेक्ट टीचर और क्लास टीचर का नाम. देन आपने फर्स्ट टर्म का टाइटल पेज बनाना है. आप दूसरे पेज पे अब आप आ गए. अब आपने फर्स्ट टर्म का टाइटल पेज बनाना है. फिर इसके बाद आपने फर्स्ट टर्म लिखना है 2021-22 लिखना है. फिर इसके बाद थर्ड पेज आपने बनाना है बेटा. इसमें आपने लिखना है टाइटल पेज. टाइटल पेज बना लिया आपने इसी यूनिट का. जब आप टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे तो अब आप क्या करेंगे? आपने टाइटल पेज बनाने के बाद क्या करना है बेटा? देखिए अब नजर आ रहा है रेफरेंस टू दी पोइट. टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे आप. टाइटल पेज बनाने के बाद अब आपने वर्ड्स मीनिंग लिखने जो मैंने आपको दिखा दिया. वर्ड्स मीनिंग करने के बाद बेटा आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्ड्स मीनिंग एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर देन यू विल स्टार्ट द सेंट्रल आइडिया. और सेंट्रल आइडिया बिल्कुल इसी तरह से लिखना है. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि आपने ये चीजें बनानी है. आपने सादा सा लिखना है. आपने रेफरेंस टू दी पोइट की ब्लैक पेन से हेडिंग डालनी है और फिर ये ब्लू से लिखना है. अगेन यू विल मेक द हेडिंग and then you will write it with blue pen. I hope you have the clear understanding. You have teacher English left. So okay beta, i hope you have the clear understanding that what you will do in your copy. It's Allah Hafiz from my side. Okay, inshallah we will meet in new class.